One of the key things that the NNBREI emphasizes is financial literacy. We've found a group that teaches you this through a hands-on method. The UCES Protection Plan offers protection and security for your financial future. The UCES Protection Plan is a membership platform that is designed to instill positive financial habits within your psyche. Their unique collection of services have been carefully selected to provide protection and opportunity over the many aspects of your finances, all combined into one easy-to-use system. Your membership can help to ensure you and your family are safeguarding the assets that you've earned and also those yet to come. Their services include credit restoration, will and trust, identity monitoring, credit monitoring, an interactive credit report, money manager, and a financial account alert system. Their agent that the National Network of Black Real Estate Investors recommends is the Payne Group. They can be reached by phone at 812-773-1371 and by email at theteampayne@gmail.com. Please be sure to let them know that you heard of them through the NNBREI platform. These offers and recommendations help us keep our membership platform free. Please consider those that spike your interest. Show your support for this platform by clicking the subscribe button. And remember that this is protected by the red, the black, and the green. Uhuru Sasa.